Remember Chester? He'd take us so fast along the moors and up into the highlands. Granny knew he'd look after us. We were so free to just be.
Wait on now.
Aye, look at the statia.
Wait on here. Your love and your will.
Oh, I'll bake whatever you like, lass, she'd say when we finally returned.
Some of it slowly,
Oh, and I'd say a little lemon would do nicely.
but I'll be here
Let's make her famous cheesecake,
and I won't let go.
the one she showed us when we were little.
Trust me home, so no. Wait on light, wait on talk, 'cause I'm still after all your tears. And if our hearts in breeze, I've been sure to leave. There's no sleeping from your eyes, and all that I could know. If you leaving, and there's no